This is Steve with DCI, and we're here explaining the SmartBaffle product. Here's how you get the product flat in the box. They're designed for 16-inch on center rafters that'll fit a 14.5-inch rafter space, or 24-inch on center rafters that'll fit a 22.5-inch rafter space. We also make custom sizes, but those are the two standard sizes that we mostly sell. As you can see here in the baffle, there's grooves on each side of it, which is located at about 2 inches on the baffle that'll create that 2-inch airspace that we recommend. We're going to start with inside the attic. So when you're inside the attic, there's a few different variations how you can install them. One of them is installing it with the nailing flanges up. So you push it down. The benefit is it's going to bypass all the roofing nails, and you secure it right from the bottom. The other way of installing it is with the nailing flanges down. So by having the nailing flanges down, it's going to be easier to secure. If you have a 2x6 rafter space, the rafter is going to be about 5.5 inches. So you just want to push this up about 1.5 inches, and then you'll have the 2 inches here, which means there's going to be 2 inches of airspace, and you want to secure it from the bottom. With this installation method, you're going to have the flanges up, and then you can easily cut these nailing flanges and secure them down. So this will go into the rafters, and you'll have an area here and also here where you can secure them to the rafters. Now you can easily cut these with a regular household pair of scissors or a utility knife. With this installation method, it's going to be a combination of the flanges up and also down. This is for securing it to the rafters. So over here, you're going to put it into the rafter as the baffle is flat, like this. Secure it to the rafter, bend it over, and then have a 2-inch airspace, and then bend this flange down and secure it to the rafter from underneath. Now we've discussed the installation method, which is going to be the most common, which is inside the attic. Now we're going to talk about if you have the convenience of the roof decking getting replaced, they can just drop in each of these baffles and tightly secure them to the rafters, unlike any baffle on the market. You just want to drop it into that rafter bay, make it tight towards the top, staple, nail, air gun, anything to secure this.